ಯಾರದು ಇದೆಯಾ?
Screen visible, guys? Is the screen visible to all of you? Okay, let's get started. I have written the main method. After that, shall I proceed? Next, I will take the next integer data type, say I. In that case, I is equal to, what is the maximum number allowed? 21, 47, 48, 36, 47, and then I will say system.out.print of the value of I equals plus, am I right? That's it. Let me save it and close all the left. Let me say right click, open into CMD, and let me see, clear the screen, JavaScript, sorry, Java C, in data type demo.java, Java space in data type demo. Our as usual problem. Works fine now. Okay, sir. What if I try to put a negative number that is 8? Am I right? 48 is the maximum number. Let me save. Let me clear the screen. Compile, execute. Perfectly fine, sir, till here. My question is, what if this crosses the upper bound, overflow happens, then compilation error will be there, right? Error will be incompatible types, possible lossy conversion from look at the sentence only, int to int you cannot convert. Wow. Error is absolutely different. Pay attention. Integer number too large. What is the error? Pay attention. There is no incompatible type issues there if you observe. Are you getting my point? It's simply telling what? Error. What is the error? Integer number 2. Because by default it is actually an integer number. But are you giving in the range? No, you are giving a too large number to accommodate by the integer data type. Are you getting my point, everybody? Am I clear with the error? In case of integer, error has changed. Error became, error became, error became, or read integer number too large. Am I clear? Done. Okay, sir. If I exceed positive sides, then I get an issue. What is the issue? Integer number too large. Okay. What if I cross the negative side, sir? Are you getting my point? What if I cross the negative side? What if I make it 49? Then still, if even if the positive number or a negative number, you process the limit, error remains same. Am I right? Concept is same. Agree. So can you please help me with the line number as well? Line number is, hey, yaar, come on, 8. In line number 8, are you telling me problem will be like? Problem will be error, integer number too large. Full dot to dot error, if I ask, you will tell int data type demo dot java colon 8 colon error colon integer number too large. Am I right? Read the error. Int data type demo dot java colon 8 colon error colon integer number too large. Whatever the integer number. Am I clear? Pakka. Okay, sir. If that is clear, shall I ask you more combinations? Ready? Okay, let me do one thing. Let me comment out this line. Positive, negative doesn't matter. I'll do one thing. Now, sir, will it compile? Yes, no, first of all. Will it compile? What is the problem? Online folks, will it gonna compile? Online folks, faster. Online folks, no. Problem is this number is by default considered as this number is by default considered as a decimal number. Then integer, float, boolean, character. Sir, repeatedly telling it is considered as. Very good. Ditesh, it is considered to be faster response. Read the answers. Faster. Of course, it is considered as a double. So error will be, can you please help me with the error? Error. Line number 9. Entire error. Int data type demo dot java colon 9 colon error colon incompatible types possible lossy conversion from double to. Are you with me? Super confident. Next time onwards you should be able to tell me error before I ask. Agree? Okay, sir. In that case, if double is not there, fine. What if I say this is a Boolean value? In this case, will it compile? Will this compile? Error. Boolean cannot be. Am I right? Incompatible type. Boolean cannot be converted to. Pakka. Okay, sir. Vice versa, if I say other value. Then incompatible types. String cannot be converted to integer. Done? Okay. If all of these are fine, let me ask you one more thing. Sure. Incompatible types. Pakka. No confusion. Wait for the magic. Compilation is successful. Let me show you the output also. Everything works fine. No problem. Output will be 97. Don't worry. Let me give you another example. Capital A, save it. Then if I compile, works fine. If I execute, answer is 65. Are you getting my problem? How come this is working? Character data, no, should not be working here. We'll discuss this when we talk about the character literals in Java and understand the concept of Unicode. What is the concept? Unicode. That time we will get to know how come this is working and it is giving me 65 or so capital A 65, small a, why is it working? It should not be working ideally. Am I right? Why is it working? We will discuss about it. Are you with me, guys? Everybody? But as of now, we understand character data can be casted to integer. Are you getting my point? If I try to put a character data into a integer variable, does it work? Yes. Why? We will discuss it. Am I clear? Okay, sir. Shall I move? Pakka? Okay, sir. In that case, I have one more doubt. Let me open the bytecode for, sorry, source code for byte data type demo. Sir, over here, you have kept the Java as a string. Agree. This was not working, we know. Agree. This was not working, right? So let me remove everything. And here, if I say uppercase or lowercase, doesn't matter. If I try to put a character data in byte, if I try to put the character data in byte, does it work or not? One. If I try to put a character data in short, does it work or not? We will find out. But if I try to put a character data in an integer variable, does it work? Yes. A character data in integer works. Same. A character data, does it work for byte or short or not? Let's check it. Pakka? Pay attention. What does your logic say so far? Will it work? Arey, either yes, either no. I say don't know. Anyway, I didn't discuss. What do you think? What is your gut feeling? Sixth sense says. Work, huh? Chalo, welcome to Java. Ah, working ra. Did I say the code also? Perfect ra. Everything is working. Now if I say Java, byte, data, type, answer. Wow. If I say over here, sorry. If I say lowercase a, lowercase a, then output should be, oh, working. Super. Let's check for short also, na? Okay, here, rather than this, if I say lowercase a, what happens? Shall I? Yes or no? Short data type demo.java. Done. Compilation is successful. If I say Java, short data type demo dot nothing. Perfect. All the combinations are working. So can I say character data is something I can put into byte, short, int everywhere? Pakka. No confusion. Shall I move to the next one? No confusion at all. Character data can be put inside the byte, short as well as int. No confusion. Shall I move? Okay. Let me talk about the integer data type. So can I say all the combinations of integer we have covered? Fatafat, let's start. Let me see. All of you start quick. Read. So can I say next session onward? Each one of you have laptop, Java installed, done all the programs, Pakka, nothing is pending. So can I check your code tomorrow itself? Each one of you, online folks, I can ask any day to share your screen. Hope you are ready. Yes or no? Quickly respond in chat. Great. That shows how sincerely you're attending classes, guys. Am I audible? Am I audible, guys? Hello? Am I audible? So, shall I move forward? Okay, sir. What is the next data type we have to discuss, guys? Next is long data type. Am I right? Shall I check what's happening now? In long data type, shall I directly jump into that? Pakka? By the way, hope you remember I told you something very important. Pay attention what I'm saying. Long data type demo. By the way, do you know what is the maximum number long allowed? Then what if you need to know? There is a trick. Pay attention. What is that? What? Long L is equal to. Pay attention what I'm saying. Long dot max underscore value. Are you getting my point? Capital long dot max underscore everything in uppercase separated by underscore. You remember? Agree? Am I clear? And few days back I told you while writing some variable names we will be using underscore, everything in uppercase. These are called constants. What are these called? What do you mean by constants, sir? We'll discuss when we understand about static and final with respect to variables. That time you'll understand what is a constant and why this naming convention is there for constant variables. Only for variables. Yes, only for variables, this naming convention should be used. This is called constant naming convention. Constant naming convention. Agree? So let me first take the name and save it. Dot. Sorry, Mava Java. Okay. Then simply shall I print the value of L? Faster. System dot out dot print of the value of L. Hello, what L? Let me take the up. No, lowercase only should be taken. Plus L. Shall I save it? And then Java C. Compilation is successful. Read the output. Read the number. Don't waste your time into this much big lengthy number remembering. Not really required. Okay, na? But integer maximum number is required at many places. What is the maximum integer value? 21, 47, 48, 36, 47. Agree? This number just for my reference. I copied the number. Agree? Have I copied the number? Pakka? Now, pay attention what I'm saying is. If I store the value, this number is anyway allowed, right? Agree? Am I right? If I try to execute this code, let's see what happens. If I try to compile this code, let's see what happens. Did you understand the lengthy number? I'm saying store into a long variable. Agree? And I'm printing the value of that long variable L. Agree? Let's see whether this compile or not. Shall I? Pay attention. Error. Read. Integer number too large. Why is it telling like that? Integer number too large? Because, sir, you might be storing into a long variable. Agree? But any number which does not have a decimal, RHS part, any number which does not have a decimal, by default it is considered as integer. And this is beyond the range of the integer. That's why it is telling integer number too large. Am I right? Sir, then how do I save the long number? There is a different naming convention. at the end of the number, if at the end of the number you write L, are you getting my point? If at all any number which does not have a decimal and ends with L, then it's considered as a long number. Are you with me? If that L is not there, then by default it will be considered as integer because it does not have a decimal part. Agree? Agree? Now let's see, will it compile? Compilation wise. Perfect. Execution wise, if I need to tell, works fine, no problem. Are you getting my point? Am I clear with this much? Sure? No confusion? Now I'm saying long dot min underscore value. Hope you remember. One is max value, one is min value. Remember that min value, if I need to print, how do I do it, sir? Compile, execute, and this is the negative number coming. Can you see this? Ending with 8. Remember, as usual, I have any negative number. Hope you remember. Now, will this compile? Will this compile? What is the problem, guys? Does not have a suffix. Does not have a suffix. L. Am I right? Agree. Now, if I compile, works fine. Execute, works fine. But let me ask you one more thing. Oops, sorry. In this case, if I remove the uppercase L and put a lowercase L, if I put a lowercase, although earlier I was suffixing with uppercase L. Now I'm suffixing with lowercase. What do you think? Java is a strongly typed or loosely typed? Strongly typed, loosely typed, you understand? Case sensitivity should be matching, yes or no? Java is a strongly typed language, yes or no? Yes. Agree. If I try to do it this way, pay attention. Compilation successful, execution also successful. Hello, sir. Wait a minute. Confusion. First, you said uppercase, lowercase combination should not be same. I mean, if you put a wherever you should write uppercase, there only you should write uppercase. Wherever you should write lowercase, there you must write lowercase. Agree? Am I right? But here that rule is not working. Can you see? Although Java is a strongly typed language, but at few places, relaxation is there. This is one of the places. One more place will come, I'll tell you. Are you getting my point? Although Java is a strongly typed languages, but at couple of places, it is giving relaxation. Whenever you want to suffix L, then you can use uppercase L as well as lowercase L. Both are fine. Am I clear? Sir, my question is, this is clear? Yes or no, guys? Now, what if this 8 is there, right? I make it 9 and then suffix L. Are you getting my point? What I'm doing? Whatever is the range of a long number is there, I exceed it from positive side, negative side. Negative side. Shall I check now? Shall I? Again, what is it telling? But I am suffixing L. See, in error also L is coming. Agree? How? See, although you are giving a long number, but is it fit in the range of long? Then it is no more a long number. Default data type will be applicable. That is integer. At least in the range of integer, does it fit? Does it fit in the range of the integer number? Then error. Read integer number. Is it telling large number too large? No. Large number too large is a wrong, what do you call, notion itself, right? Integer number too large. When you cross the limit of the long also, in that case, default data type integer will be applicable, but this number is not in the range of integers, hence integer number too large. Am I clear? Everybody? Okay, sir. What about the positive side, sir? You remember positive side? Agree? Now check again. Here also same problem. Integer number too large. Whichever way, positive side or negative side, you cross the limit, problem is there. Agree? And problem is same in both the scenario, positive, negative. Agree? But in this case, what is happening? Although I'm suffixing with L, I am telling consider this a long number. Since it does not fit in the range of long, then it will not be considered as a long number. In that case, it will be considered as a default data type applicable. That is, okay, this number, is it in the range of integer? No. In that case, integer number too large. Am I clear with all the scenarios? Pakka? Okay. If that is clear, let me ask you. Wait a minute. Can I say this? Pay attention. I'm adding a decimal. I'm adding a decimal part. So this number by default will be treated as this number by default will be treated as double number. Am I right? Shall I check? Read the error. Incompatible types, possible velocity conversion from double to. Am I clear? Pakka? Okay, sir. Sir, what if I am telling, see, all the decimal part is that, let's consider long. Although decimal part is there, let's consider L means what? Any number with suffix with L means what? Long number. If a number has a decimal, then it's a any number which has a decimal, then it is a double number. Any number with suffix with L, then it is a. Now which one is correct? Is it long? Is it double? Are you getting my point? Contradiction is there. Two different concepts. Both of them are wrong. Let's see which one compiler says wrong. Shall I? Read the error. Next level error. What is the error? At where it is expecting semicolon? At the L position. Why is it expecting a semicolon at the L position? Shall I explain? See, any number which has a decimal part, any number which has a decimal part, that is a double number. Okay, this will be considered as a double number. But any number you write, after that immediately you should write. After the double number, you should write what? Semicolon. Rather than semicolon, if you write anything else, not allowed. What is expecting? Say, for example, forget about this. Let me give you another scenario. This K, L is there, na? Let me put Z. Now, there is no number called Z ending with Z or something. Agree? But in this case, let's see the error. Shall I? See? Are you getting my point? What is happening? Because wherever you put Z, wherever you have written Z, at that place, what compiler is expecting? A semicolon, because numbers are over after the decimal. Now anything should come, that only one possibility, that is semicolon. Agree, guys? Come on. Am I making sense to you? Pakka. So this is also clear to us. Next, I am telling this all is a string data. What am I telling? All this is a string data. If I say this is a string data, what do you think? Error. Incompatible types. String cannot be converted to. Am I right? No confusion at all? Sure? Okay, sir. Let me move forward. Sir, what if there is a Boolean value? Will this compile? Faster. Error. Incompatible types. Boolean cannot be converted to. Am I right? No confusion at all. Can I expect you to try for float and double? Float and double, can you give a try? All the combinations. Fatafat. Although, first you make a note of the long example, then we will make a note about the float and long by yourself. Quick. Okay, let's get started. Create a new, Control N. Okay, done. Then write a class name. Class lowercase, class float, data type, demo. Open the curly braces. Then write the come to the next line. Opening curly braces. Enter. One more enter. One more enter. Tab. No, not like this. Go back. Backspace. Enter. Perfect. Write down. Public static. Slow, careful. No need to rush. Static void main string array of args. Array without shift. Hello. Without shift. G. Without shift. Space array. Press insert first of all. Insert. Insert. There is an insert button is there. Now. Opening curly braces. Next can be your number. Be ready. Float spelling is wrong in class as well as the data type. FLOAT. In class name also, please. Type boy. It's okay. Those who are there, their hand shiver. You take your time, buddy. No problem. Space. Okay. Write any number with the decimal. With decimal. Semicolon. Now try to print. System.out.print of the value of f equal to, very good, outside plus, then you will type f, then semicolon, copy the class name first. In this case, space also will come. Never do it. Double click. Double click. Control C. Control S. Dot. Not outside. Within that. At the end. Dot is also there. Enter. Now, command prompt is kept open. No. Command prompt. Click on command prompt. CLS. Enter. Now Java C. Right click. Dot. Enter. चलो ठीक है. Enter. Reason. By default, any decimal number is considered as double. Double size is 8. Float size is 4. That is the reason. Are you with me? Sir, in that case, how do I store a float number? Very good. Suffix with F. Either uppercase or lowercase. Save and execute. Whatever. Suffixing, there is no problem. Java and enter. Works fine. Now go back. Control D, Control K. No, click on that line. Control D. Duplicate the current line. Control K to come into the current line. Now make it uppercase F. Capital F. Save it, compile it, execute. Have you saved? Sure. No. Up arrow. Up arrow. CLS enter. Up arrow. Once again. Enter. Down arrow. Enter. Works fine. Whether it is uppercase or lowercase, no problem. And one more thing, go to the console. Did you observe that suffixed value LF, nothing is coming? Am I clear? Come down. Come to the code. Control D, Control K. Now, remove this decimal part itself, including F. Save. Execute. Enter. Works fine. But even if I remove the decimal part, did you observe? Even if I remove the decimal part, dot 0 has been appended. If you are saying a non-decimal number I want to put, internally it will keep it as a with decimal only. Agree? Dot 0 means almost same. Agree? Go ahead. Am I clear? Now Control D, Control K. Now add a F to it. No. Add a F to it. Save it. A number without decimal. Go back. A number without decimal is integer. If any number is suffixed with F, then no contradiction is there. Go there. Check. CLS. Compile. Enter. Works fine. No impact at all. Agree? If you suffix F, that is a default, that is a float number. Story over. Get back. Try to store a Boolean value. Try to store a Boolean value. Save it. Execute. If I compile now, oops, obviously error. Control, go back, Control D, Control K. Then store our value within the double quotes. Anything, fine, save it, come back, clear screen, compile, error, string cannot be converted to float. Am I clear? But sir, what is the max value of a float? How do I identify? Go back to the code, Control D, Control K, and remove this value and say capital F, capital F, and spelling of float, dot, without space, dot, capital M, underscore, max, underscore, value. Now save it, execute, compile and execute, obviously. You are compiling again and again. Different code you have compiled. Come down, 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 down. Compile, done. Down. Very long data you are doing it. Come down, come down, come down, come down. Go up, go up. Came. Hit enter. Java. Now come down. Come down. Hit hold on. Hit enter. What is the value coming? 3.402823 E. E ante? Ante Amlapura. E ante? E ante? That is ante Amlapura ra. E ante? Ijapura. I don't even remember. Here E means exponential. Wait for a few days. I'll discuss about the floating point literals, values. That time I'll discuss these variables. That is the reason I'm not taking maximum or minimum. But go back, do one thing. Change the variable name f to max value. Max only. Lowercase max. Lowercase max. Write down. Lowercase max. Done. Control D. Down. Control Z. Control Z. One of the variable max to min. Make it min. Lowercase min. Here also. Here it should be in uppercase. Min. Save it. Wait. Then write down here. The max value of float equal to, like that. Are you getting my point? Remove everything. No. Remove everything. Max value of float equal to double quotes plus max control D. Change the value now. Min. Come back. No. Escape. No. Go back. Come. In the message. No. Here. Min. Save and compile, execute, fatafat. Compilation done. Let's execute. What is the problem? Bring it to the next line using println. Using println. Compile first. Okay, don't use println now. Perfect. Within the double quotes. Backslash n. Save it. What is the problem? Sir, you said the max value of float equal to, then backslash n. So variable value has printed here. Then go back. Remove this backslash n. Come to the next line at the beginning of the message. Say backslash n. Control S. Now execute. It will work perfectly. Hit enter. Done. Come down. Next person will go for double data type. All the online folks, are you clear with the float data type? Now hold on. Online folks, quickly respond in chat. Am I audible? Faster. Are you clear till the float data type? Are you clear till the float data type? Type clear in chat. Type clear in chat. Faster. Not yes, da. Type clear in chat if you're clear. Or type CC, crystal clear. Perfect. Control N. Let's proceed towards the next program. Or go to the, opened. Type. Class double. Class name must start with the uppercase. Complete quick double data type demo. only max underscore value. This should be system dot out dot print of within double quotes. Spelling wrong, ra. Value of D equals plus plus very good B or D. Uddara. Save with what? Save with what? What same? How do I save this code? With what name should I save the class? Copy. Perfect. Perfect. Control C, Control S. Very good. Super. Within double quotes. Dot Java. In the starting also should be double quotes. Save. Perfect. Go to the command prompt. Clear the screen. Command prompt is already kept open. Hey, Bhagwan. Close it. Close ಮಾಡೋದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಬಾರ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಟೈಪ್ ಜಾವಾ ಸಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ right click. Now bring the cursor to the black color screen. Bring the cursor to the black color screen. Mouse cursor. Mouse. Right click. Hit tab. Hit tab. Hit tab. Tab. Above caps lock. Tab. Enter. Automatically it will come. Java. Control C. Control plus C. Java. Space. Right click. Enter. This is what I was saying. Yeah. So maximum value of double is this. Same way you can get the value for double and float, max, mean value, all the values you can get it, right? Now go back. Max value is there. Clear? Control. Click on that line. Line number 5. Control D. Control K. Min value. Escape. No problem. Escape. Escape, escape. Story over. Hey Bhagwan. Chotu, ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ನರ್ವಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೀಯೋ ಕಣೋ ನೀನು ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ my job is to make you nervous. Control S, very good. You are doing good, buddy. No problem. Control S, go back, very good. CLS, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಸಿ ಮಾಡು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಸಿ very good. Type up arrow once again, hit enter, down arrow, hit enter, par. Am I clear now? This is the minimum value coming. Let's not get into it. Move to the next. Control D, Control K, write down value as 1 2 3 4 5. Double D equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Very good. 1 2 3 4 5. Save it. As of now, am I adding any decimal part into it? Then in output, decimal will come. Perfect. Very good. Super. Done. Get back. Try to put a Boolean value. Control D, Control K. Very good. Double click on that number. Double click. Type any Boolean data. Control S. Get back. Perfect. CLS. Very good. Go up. Very good. Reason Boolean cannot be converted to double. Get back. Put a string data. Am I clear? Yes. In double quotes, put anything. V capital. Noun name start with uppercase. O M V. Save. Control S. Okay. Enter. Good job. Now get back there. What is the class name? Go back to the console. What is the class name? Come down, come down. Error is there. Perfect. Go back and that's enough. That's enough. It will not work. Okay, it will work. Character value. Let's check. How can we miss the character part? Character will work. Let's check. But pay attention. If I give a uppercase A, all the value is coming 65, right? Here it will come what? Check. 60.65 point. Why it is happening like this? A is 65, uppercase A is 65. That was an integer format that has been converted as a double value. Why it is happening whenever I'm trying to print a uppercase A, it is giving 65. Whenever I'm trying to print a lowercase A, it is giving me 97. Shall I check it? If I give a lowercase A, 97 is there, but decimal is not there, which has to be appended. Done. Pakka. Then character in Boolean, nothing much is there because Boolean has only two values. There is no max or min value. Agree. Shall I try? Okay, sir. By the way, online folks, are you clear with the double data type? Quickly respond till double data type. Are you clear, guys? Everybody? Faster. Let's move to the next data type. Class Boolean data type demo. Then public static void main string array of arguments. Oops, sorry. Then here I say what? Boolean B is equal to true. Am I right? Here can I say system.out.print of the value of B equals plus B ending with a semicolon, and let me save with Boolean data type demo.java. Done. Then let me go to the command prompt. Let me say control clear screen. Perfect. Okay, sir, let me give a try with other possible value. What is the other possible value? Other possible value is false. Absolutely fine. Apart from these two values, let me give a try to anything else. Say, okay, in C, 0 means false, but in Java, Any number which does not have a decimal is integer. Read incompatible types, possible lossy conversion. Sorry, int cannot be converted to boolean. Incompatible types. Earlier, boolean cannot be converted to int. Now, int cannot be. Agree. Same if I say, sir, sorry. Okay. Here, if I write a number which has a decimal part, default, double. Can I convert double into? Can I? Incompatible types, double. Am I right? Shall I check it? Oops, sorry. Hit Java. Int, sorry, incompatible types. Oh. Done. Agree. Sir, what if I mark it as now error? Or will it work? Will it work? Will it work? Can I put a float variable into a boolean? Then error. Incompatible types. Float cannot be converted. Simple. Agree. Sir, in that case, let me do one thing. Can I say suffix L? Then this number should be treated by default as. By default itself L because it is suffixed with L. So number is long number. Can I put a long number into a boolean data? Error. Income. Long cannot be converted to boolean. Simple. Am I clear? Sir, how about a character data, sir? What if I put a single quotes capital A? Are you getting my point? Done. Will this work? Capital A means 65. Can I put a 65 into boolean data? So read the error. Character or int? Pay. Char cannot be it is not character, it's char cannot be converted to boolean. Are you clear? No confusion? Okay, sir. In this case, what if now will this work? Problem. Incompatible types, string cannot be converted to. What's the big deal in program, Ra? Easy things are there. Whatever we learned is that easy. Online folks, faster. So can I expect you to quickly? If you have not done previous programs, let me do one thing. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm holding that tab and bringing it here. Move to other view. I'm holding boolean also. Okay, float and boolean. These are the two data types we are doing, right? Start making a note of it. Quick. Agree? चल शुरू करें बॉस. Shall we start with the last leftover data type? That is char, right? Shall I? Class char data type demo. Online folks, quickly. Public static void main string array of args. Then char c is equal to. Can I put a single quote A? Then I say system dot out dot print of the value of C is equal to plus C. And let me copy the name of the class. Let me save it. Dot Java. Let me clear the screen. Java C character dtype demo dot Java. Java character dtype demo. Answer expected is. Answer expected is. Perfect. No problem at all. Agree? Okay, sir. What if I say capital A? Pardon? Then capital A will be printed. What's the big deal, sir? Am I right? No confusion. A to Z, you take anything, will be printed uppercase, lowercase. Agree? Am I clear? Okay, in that case, let me write it. Will this compile? Yes or no? Yes. It will compile. Execute also. Online folks, will this compile? Give a blind guess, no problem. Will this compile? Of course, we haven't discussed. Come on, folks, quickly respond. Online, everybody. If you don't know, type DK, guys, at least. Have some decency. Faster. Come on, quick. By the way, am I audible, guys? Guys, am I audible? Hello? Am I audible, guys? Hello? Very good. Chaliye, let's move forward. So the value of C, as per us, only couple of people said it will compile. Let's check. Compilation is successful. Execution is also perfect. Why, sir? How come numbers are working? Reason. Pay attention. Anything you write within the single quote is a character, and there is a huge difference between a character and an alphabet. What is the difference? Let me come to the character literals, character values. That time we will discuss what is the difference between a character value, character literal, or an alphabet. Am I clear? Right now, if you want to listen, I can say character is a superset of an alphabet and a digit or a special number, special digit, special symbol, sorry, special symbols you understand, like dollar, at the rate, hash, percentage, single quote, double quote. What are these? These are special characters, special symbols. Agree? So character data type char is a superset of alphabet, digit, or a special character. Are you with me? We will understand that later point of time. But one thing is clear, you can store alphabet as a character, digit as a character, provided they are in a single quote. So, sir, let's talk about why are we not talking about a special character, say, can I? Let's check it, sir. Compilation successful, execution also successful. Am I clear? Okay, sir, leave all this. I have a question for you. Forget about this. If I don't put anything within the single quote, is it still be considered as a character? Yes or no? Something which is in single quote, that is a character. If something which is not in single quote, then pay attention. If I put 65, if I put answer. Okay, sir. Wait. In that case, are you telling me if I try to save what? 97, then I'm expecting a lowercase a. Why this magic is happening, sir? Wait, for this next topic, what we have to learn is called type casting. Type casting as well as the Unicode concept we have to understand. So what we will do first, typecasting we'll study little bit later. First, we understand all the values clearly. What does it mean by character value? What does it mean by float value? Every combination of it we'll learn. Then we will discuss about data types. Am I clear? Agree? Data types, I mean typecasting. There is a concept of typecasting. We will discuss once we understand all the different type of values. Agree? Shall I move to the next one, guys? If you are so confident, are you telling me, sir, do one thing. Take this number as a double value. Any number which is a decimal, that is, can this be working or not? Shall we check? Not gonna work. Possible lossy conversion from double to char. अरे यार विश्वास ही नहीं है, मतलब बताओ. Double to, agree? Double to character, done. Okay, sir, wait a minute. If this is the case, pay attention now. If I add F, will this compile? No, sir. Failed from float to, agree? Okay, sir. Leave this, sir. What if now at least, can I put any number as a long? Yes. Can put that in character? Let's check. Error. Long to char. Clear? Perfect. Wait a minute. If that is the case, what if I try to put a? What do you think? Boolean, will it work? Boolean cannot be converted to any other data type. Other data type data cannot be converted into Boolean. Story over here. Boolean cannot be converted to. Are you with me? Done. Sir, how about string, sir? How about string? Can I put a string into the character? Shall I? String cannot be converted to. Pakka clear? No confusion? Now, wait a minute. I have a beautiful scenario for you to explain. Sir, if double quotes, then string. If single quotes, then Now char. Agree? Earlier in double quotes, string. In single quotes, char. Will this compile? Let's check. Don't rush, guys. Hold on. See the problem. Three problems are there. Unclosed character literal. Unclosed character literal. Not a statement at all. Reason. If you are giving a single quote as part of the character value, I'll discuss this area once again. When we'll talk about the character literals, character values, that time I'll explain once again. Listen carefully. As of now, within the single quotes, you can write at most only one character at a time. In double quotes, string, you can write anything as much as you want. You write, you don't write, everything is fine. But single quotes can have one and max to max, one alphabet. Am I clear? Or a digit, or a special symbol, special character. Either you can write alphabet, digit, or a special character at most. Am I clear? Everybody? Sir, okay. In that case, what if I don't write anything? Then? Are you getting my scenario? Then, sir, let me show you. Pay attention, very important. Empty character literal. See, what is it saying? Empty character literal. Enclosed character literal. Again, always three situations are coming. If you are not giving exactly one character between the single quotes, then exactly 3 errors are coming. Am I clear? Everybody will discuss this area. Shall I move to the next one? What else is left over? Okay, sir. Maximum and minimum values of character. Let me explain you that. Then we are almost done with all the data types. The maximum value of a character valid is 0. Character range start from 0, 0 goes till 65535. 65535. Start with character is the only char is the only data type whose range start with a 0. Rest remaining start with a negative number. Agree? Am I clear? What about Boolean range? There is no concept of range for a Boolean. Reason? 2 possible values are there. There is no greater value. There is no smaller value. Agree? For range, Boolean, there is no concept of range. For character, range start from 0. Remaining start from minus. Am I clear? Sure? Okay, sir. Why character start with 0? I'll discuss when I come to the character later. So are you getting my point? So many things are there with respect to understanding values of character. What does it mean by alphabet? What does it mean by digit? What does it mean by special character? Why is it starting with 0? What is Unicode? Everything. Super important concept is coming. Probably by the end of this week, we'll wind up that. Agree? Shall I move? Everything clear? As of now, if I put a 0, this is valid. Range start from 0. If I try to put, pay attention what the data is coming. Look. What is there? Nothing is there. Actually, a space is there. Why is it coming space? We have to understand what does it mean by character value. Then you will understand. Agree? Now try to understand. Maximum allowed is 65535. Compilation wise, absolutely correct. Pay attention. Important. Clear the screen. Compilation wise, no problem, right? While executing, look at the answer. What is it coming? Pay attention. Very important. I'll tell you the reason when we discuss about the character data value. As of now, if I execute now, question mark. Pay attention. Why is it coming? Why question mark is coming? 2 reasons are there behind it. We will learn those 2 reasons when we talk about the character literals or character values. Are you with me? As of now, if I put a 0, works fine for character, gives space. If I put 65535, maximum number, then question mark. Sir, let's cross the ranges. These are the valid ranges, max and min. Agree? Let me cross the ranges. Agree? Here can I say max underscore value is this much. Here can I say min Oh, sorry, White's reverse I wrote. Am I right? Agree? Okay. Then can I say, let me cross the range? Can I cross the range? Will this compile? If range start from 0, then this should not be working. Am I right? Pay attention now. Read. From? Agree? No confusion? Control D. Sir, what if I cross the positive range? What is the positive number? 6, 5, 5, 3. 5 is the number I give. 6 in this case. Pay attention. Error is also there. Same error. The only thing is value earlier -1, now 6, 5, 5, 3, 6. Agree? Can I say all the combinations of all the data types we have covered? All the permutations we have covered. For every data type, whatever possible values can be there, cannot be there, that is clear to us. Agree? If at all any error is coming, we know the reason behind the error, whatever error is coming so far. With respect to data type ranges, agree? With respect to data type values, with respect to values, there is a confusion because we haven't discussed a concept called identifiers. What is the concept? Identifiers is, no, sorry, literals. Next concept is literal. That is called literal. Literal means values. Identifier means name. Next concept we have to understand called literals. If you understand literals, by that time you'll get all the errors clear understanding. Am I clear? Shall I wind up for the day? Almost time is done. Only 3-4 minutes are left over. Let me share your attendance with you all. Ensure you mark your attendance. Wait a minute. Quickly mark your attendance, guys. Quickly mark your attendance, online folks. And once done, you can drop the call. Thank you. Done, guys? So, what do you do? Okay. So, see you tomorrow. 3 p.m. with and on the program working till all the data. Okay. Every possible combination. Okay. By the way, feeling confident. Whatever we discussed with respect to the comparison, right? Whatever we haven't discussed, we get the confidence. One. As of now, the law, the